Does your garage door struggle to open or close smoothly? Or maybe it sounds noisier than it has in the past couple of years. Well, don't ignore those signs. That is your garage door telling you that it is time for a thorough inspection from a garage door professional. Garage doors are more dangerous than you might expect. The springs that open and close your garage door are under very high tension, and you would not want to operate those unless you were a trained professional. For a lot of garage door owners, they might want to know, how often should you get your door serviced? Is that important? Well, it is. And actually, you should probably be getting your door serviced at least once a year. In order to do that, again, you would want to have a trained professional come out, do a thorough inspection, look over your door, and understand where there are adjustments that need to be made. And if your door sounds noisier than it does, perhaps it's just some extra lubrication that it needs. However, some of those things may require additional work, and that's where that inspection is really important. Because the more that we look at that door, and the more that a garage door professional understands what's going on, they can determine if there's additional work needed than just that tune-up. Most people use their garage door more than they do their front door. That's why it's important to take care of this entrance into your home. It's the biggest mechanical device in your home. Taking care of it properly is not something that should be left to the homeowner. It's something that should be taken care of by a professional. If you use it as many times as most people do, it's very likely that it will go out on you when you are needing it the most. If you're looking to get a new garage door, some people will ask, can I just install my garage door myself? The quick answer is no. You shouldn't be installing a garage door by yourself. In fact, DASMA strongly recommends that your garage door be installed by a trained professional. Because of the high tension springs and those heavy panels, even a small mistake could lead to a serious injury. Another common question is, can I reuse my tracks if I get a new garage door? I understand, everybody wants to save money. However, each garage door that comes from our manufacturer comes with all of the parts that are specific for that door, and this includes the tracks. Using old tracks can cause poor alignment, extra wear, and even damage to the new door. So for the best performance and the longest life, always use the tracks that are meant for your garage door. Garage doors can be installed with either torsion springs or extension springs. Now, while torsion springs are the most common, if extension springs are being used on your garage door, it is imperative that you use the safety cables that run through those extension springs. Without these cables, those springs can snap, cause serious harm, because they contain the energy that are within those springs, so you don't want to damage anyone or anything in your home. And one last reminder, watch your fingers. Small habits like this make a big difference in safety. At Precision Garage Door, we're here to keep your door and your day running smoothly. If you need more insights or expert help, make sure you reach out to one of your Precision Garage Door team members to assist. We are always here to make sure that your door operates safely, reliably, and with precision.